Welcome friends, today I have a new video for you. Scorpio 2020 monthly horoscopes. Let's take a look at the yearly Scorpio horoscope 2020 month-wise. January 2020 will be a month when you will indulge in many tasks, most of which will be useless to you in the long run. February 2020 is a period when you will feel that you have no control over things. But this won't last forever. March 2020 is a period when you need to go slow and take caution when you can. April 2020 is when everything will work in your favor. But do not indulge yourself more than needed. May 2020 is a good month for rejuvenation and finding your purpose in life. June 2020 will be a slow month when you should take things easy. Plan instead of implementing any task. July 2020 is a good time to go back over issues that you have left unfinished. August 2020 is when you will be at peace with your inner self. Only then will you be able to take the rejections that you might face in life. September 2020 will come with its share of bad habits that you might get addicted to. Stay warned. October 2020 will be full of love and warmth. You will be blessed and share your happiness with others. November 2020 is your birth month, and there is no stopping you now. December 2020 is an excellent period for love, romance, pregnancy, and new relationships.